Hello, my name is Danae Sanchez. I'm from Sheffield University, and I'm going to present the paper Point of Interest Type Inference from Social Media Text. This paper is co-authored with Daniel Pretsiuk-Pietro from Bloomberg and Nicolas Aletras from University of Sheffield. Social networks allow users to post from different physical locations, aka point of interest, POIs. Posts and POIs are tightly related and define each other. Experiences in a POI can trigger multiple reactions in posts. For example, users may express their feelings related to a certain place. In this case, the tweet posted from Strawberry Fields in New York says, "I'm back in Central Park. This place gives me war flashbacks now." Users may also express comments and thoughts associated with the place they are in. In this tweet, posted from 3 dots and a dash, we read, "Chicago really needs to step up their Aloha shirt game. Only a few of us dressed appropriately tonight." And also, users may post about activities they are performing. For example, this tweet was posted from Gold House Hotel and it says, "Excited to attend my first conference. Great opportunity to learning more about the wide world of EdTech." Conversely, posts can define points of interest, POIs, by giving a glimpse of the atmosphere in that place. These are the most recent posts from 3 dots and a dash, a tiki bar in Chicago, which accurately describes the atmosphere there. So, in this work, we study the language that is used in Twitter to share information about a specific POI they are visiting. Our main task is POI Type Prediction, which we define as a multi-class classification task performed at the social media post level. Given a post T, as the one we show in this example, defined as a sequence of tokens T equals T1 to Tn, the goal is to label T as one of the M POI categories. Applications of POI type predictions are POI visualization, POI recommendation, and social and cultural geography. POI type prediction is different from geolocation prediction because we predict the type of place rather than and irrespective of the exact location or coordinates. We create a novel dataset for POI type prediction containing the text and the location type it was posted from. Twitter users can tag their tweets to the locations they posted from. These locations are linked to Foursquare Places, a database of more than 105 million POIs worldwide. The place information in this database includes verified metadata such as the POI name, geo-coordinates, and the categories of the POI. We collect tweets assigned to the POIs and associated metadata, including its category, and we focus on 8 of the 9 top-level POI categories. The final dataset contains around 200,000 English tweets from 2,761 different POIs in the US from 8 types: art and entertainment, college and university, food, great outdoors, nightlife spot, professional and other places, shop and service, and travel and transport. We create our data split at a location level to ensure that locations in the train split are different from the dev and test splits. This figure shows the distribution of the tweets for each POI type. We split the locations in train, 80%, development, 10%, and test, 10%. We test the performance of different models, logistic regression using bag-of-word features, BLSTM and BERT models, and we experiment with adding temporal features as well. The macro F1 is shown in the chart for tweets trained in a set of POIs and tested on tweets from unseen POIs, as well as the majority class macro F1. We use macro F1 since our dataset is imbalanced. We can see there is great improvement between the logistic regression model and the transformer-based model BERT, which has the best performance of 43.67. Now, this figure shows the confusion matrix of our best performing model, BERT, according to the macro F1. The confusion matrix is normalized over the actual values, in this case the rows. The category Arts and Entertainment has the greatest percentage, 62%, of correctly classified tweets, followed by the Great Outdoors category with 54% and the College and University category with 44%. We analyze the tweet content for each category by ranking single words that appear in at least 5 different locations, such that these are representative of the larger POI category rather than a few specific places. Most words refer to activities that the user is performing or observing while at a location, such as show for arts and entertainment or hike for great outdoors. We also find emojis and adjectives that refer to the user's surroundings. For example, beautiful in great outdoors, and there are also words indicative of the time the user is at a place, such as tonight for arts and entertainment and sunset for the great outdoors. Also, we analyze the relationship between the posting time and the POI type. The hour of day pattern follows the daily human activity rhythm. The differences between categories are less prominent except for the arts and entertainment category, which peaks around 8 p.m. and nightlife spots that presents a higher percentage of tweets in the early hours of the day, between 1 and 5 a.m., compared to other categories. Finally, we observe that the most common error is when the model classifies tweets from the category college and university as professional and other places, as tweets from these places contain similar terms such as students or class. To conclude, we presented the first study on predicting the POI type a social media message was posted from. We released a dataset with tweets mapped to their POI category, which you can find following this link or scanning this QR code. We trained predictive models to infer the POI category using the tweet text and the tweet and the post time. Finally, we analyzed the tweet content and how it relates to the POI category. Thank you.